Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the expand the following using appropriate identities in chapter 3. See the first given sum. The bracket 3p plus 2q the whole square. This one look like a plus b the whole square. Okay, first you have to find out the which identities you can use. First you can select that one. So a plus b the whole square, that is a appropriate identity. First you have to select that one. So first write the answer for that. So a plus b the whole squared, answer is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So here in this sum, the given sum is instead of a 3p, a value is 3p, then b value is 2q. So you have to write that also. Then after that you can apply the values in that right hand side. What is that? A plus b the whole square, the expansion is a squared. Here instead of a is 3p, so 3p the whole squared. Now instead of a, here the value is 3p, instead of b the value is 2q. So you have to apply this one. See here the right hand side, a squared, a plus b the whole squared, answer is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So instead of a squared, 3p the whole squared plus 2ab, 2 into a value 3p, b value 2q. So 2 into 3p into 2q. Then this one is the second term fully. Then plus b squared. So 2q, b value is 2q the whole square. Now can simplify. Here 3 power 2, 3p the whole squared means that is understood the power is for 3 and p also. 3 squared 9, p squared plus here 2 and 3, you have to multiply this one. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 pq. Multiply the constant only and then the variable keep as it is, 12 pq plus 2 squared q squared, the whole 2q the whole square means that is understood 2 squared and q squared. 2 squared is 4 q squared. The answer is 9p squared plus 12pq plus 4q squared. Listen, again I am telling the given sum is 3p plus 2q the whole squared. First find out the appropriate identity. A plus b the whole squared, the answer is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So instead of a you can apply 3pu, instead of b you have to apply 2q. So the 3p the whole squared plus 2 into 3p into 2q. The answer 3p the whole squared means 3 squared and p squared. 3 squared value 9p squared plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12pq plus 2 squared and q squared, 4q squared. The answer 9p squared plus 12pq plus 4q squared. This is the final answer. Is it clear? See the second one. 2x minus 5y the whole square. Given identity is 2x minus 5y. So which one is that appropriate identity? A minus b the whole square. The answer a squared minus 2ab plus b square. This is the right hand side answer. So you have to write, instead of a you have to write 2x, instead of b you have to write 5y. So you can apply the value in this right hand side. Then a squared 2x the whole squared minus 2 into a here 2x, b 5y. So 2ab plus b squared 5y, 5y the whole squared. So the answer, so 2x the whole square means that is understood constant of power, then 2 squared and x squared. 2 squared answer 4x squared minus here multiply the number only, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 into x into y plus 5 squared and y squared, 25 y squared. The answer 5 squared answer 25, then y squared. This is the final answer. Listen, Again I am telling this one, the given number 2x minus 5y the whole square. So you can find out which one is the appropriate identity. Here minus sign is there, so a minus b the whole square only. So the answer a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here in this sum, instead of a is the value is given 2x, instead of b 5y. So you have to apply the value 2x the whole square in minus 2 into 2x into 5y, 2ab. So 2 into 2x into 5y plus 5y the whole square. So 2x the whole square means 4x square. 2 squared value 4. 4x squared minus, you can multiply the number, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. 20 into xy plus 5 squared and y squared. 5 squared 25 into y square. So the final answer 4x squared minus 20xy plus 25y square. Is it clear, students? Now let us see the third one. This one they are given the numbers 105 the whole square. So you have to split the given number. Here 105, see the one's place is 5, so you can split it 100 plus 5 the whole square. Then only you can using the appropriate identities. So here this one is a 100 plus, in between sign plus, so first identity you can use the first identity. First one is a plus b the whole square, this one. So you have to write the formula, then a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. You can use this first identity. Here plus sign is there. So instead of a 100, instead of b 5. So a value 100 and then b value 5. You can apply the values in this formula. Here 100 plus 5 the whole square equal to a square, a plus b the whole square formula you can apply here. A square, a value is 100, 100 square plus 2 into a value 100 into b 5 plus b square, b is 5, instead of b the value is 5, so the 5 whole square. So here 100 square means, so you have to multiply 100 into 100, then answer 10,000. 100 into 100, this is the base, this is the power, so you have to write that 100 2 times, you have to multiply, so 10,000 plus 2 5s are 10, 10 into 100 1000 plus 5 square 25, 5 5s are, this is the base, this is the power, so 5 into 5 25. So now you can add this one, 10,000 plus 1000 11,000 and plus 25, you have to add all this one, 11,025. This is the answer. Is it clear? Again I am telling the given sum is 105 the whole square, so you have to split 100 plus 5. So you can select, you can find out which property, which identity you can use. A plus b the whole square formula you can use a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here instead of a is 100, instead of b is 5, so you can apply the value here. So 100 square is 10,000, 100 into 100 value 10,000. Here 2ab, 2 into 100 into 5, so that one 2 5s are 10, 10 into 100 1000. So here 5 square 25. Now you can add everything, 10,000 plus 1000 11,000. So add the 25 also, 11,025. This is the final answer. Is it clear?